Hi guys, this is Opu from Opu Art. So I'm very happy to announce that I am going to launch a Unreal Engine tutorial series. It's for the beginner actually. It's not for the it's you can call it like a tutorial series, or you can call it tips and tricks like the Unity I'm doing in my channel. So I'm trying to, this is for the beginner tutorial. So from the beginning, I'm trying to focus from the, just from the beginning steps to how to become habitual with the Unreal Engine, and how you can get familiar with the Unreal Engine. So I'm trying. Please support me and stay with me. Thank you. So as you can see, here is my desktop. So now this is the Unreal Engine. So I am using Unreal Engine 5.3, by the way. So like I am pretending you are new in Unreal Engine. So today's topic is how you can open actually open a project. So it's a very short tutorial or tips like for the beginners. So I'm skipping the installation part. I know there are a lot of videos in the YouTube or in the internet that how to install the Unreal Engine. You have to go for install this one. For the installation, you have to go for Unreal Engine Epic game launcher, and then you can, if you go there, then if you install this one, then Unreal Engine 5.5 is already here. So you can hear this is the Unreal Engine project, Unreal Engine part. So as you can see, the launcher 5.3, this is the installation version already. So as you can see, here is the install, and and also settings, and you can log in. This is Twinmotion and library. Yes, in the library part you can see this is my install version. Okay. This is my installation version, Unreal Engine 5.3.1. So as you can see here, you can download another version. You can do the plus version to go through the cycle. Okay, something like this. So remove. Okay. So I'm going to the Unreal Engine, clicking the icon from the desktop, as we are going to launch a project and discuss about something with the interface. Okay. So it's launching. So actually Unreal Engine 5 is a game changer from the operation and also the graphics perspective. It's way advanced than the Unreal Engine 4 Unreal Engine 4 or 4 version. The interface is new, and interface is very smooth, and very good looking interface. So as you can see, give it a time. It depends on the PC, or the machine that's the Unreal Engine is running. So you have to give it a time. Okay. As soon as the loading finish, you come to this option. So there is, a recent project. You can see all the recent project there. So you can have a game section, so you can have lots of, kind of a blank first person, third person, top down, okay, AR, virtual and vehicle, okay, and film and video. You have this kind of option there, on also architecture, and also automotive procedural design, and also the simulation part. So as you can see here, so I will go for the game and the third person. So just go for game and third person, and here is the blueprint and CC. So I will remain in the blueprint. If you are familiar with the CC, I'm in the coding part, then you can switch this one. But default is the blueprint, and then the target platform is a desktop. So as you can see, here is mobile and desktop. So I'll just working on the desktop, and quality preset is maximum. This is the default part. And starter content, yes, I'll go for the starter content. And the project file is this is the location. So you need to do define a location, or where the project will be set. So like my one is C Unreal Engine project, and this is the project name. So I will go for project name, my test project, test project. Okay. By the way, the typing here is a little bit different, so you cannot give it a space, like you can say that my project. Yes, you can see my project, a space bar between these two words is Unreal Engine giving a sign, and it's rejecting the project name. So you cannot do that. Either you have to use some sort of link option, like this one and also this one. Okay, so better this one. So in between there is no gap. Make sure there is no gap. So my project, and then create the project. So it will create the project. So it's a bit different than the Unity. Project name and all the names in between the Unreal is the same. Okay. The Unreal Engine project is already opened. So as you can see here, this is okay. This is kind of a content, as you can see. So this is the default content, and you can see here, this one is the basic parameters that you can go for characters, and you can go for point lights, player states, and trigger box, and all the things. But this one you can do okay, placement actors. You can minimize that. Show tab. Okay, yes. So sometimes you find this. Okay, so select mode is on, something like select mode is on. So this is the default state. Okay, so this is the viewport, and this is the content drawer. So like you can see the folders there, like the Unity, you can cycle between them, and also the folders there. These are the like the Unity, you can access them, and you have the content, the starter content, and also you have the hierarchy tab here. Actually, so all the things in the scene are here, actually already established, and you can do the tweaking with the mouse like the Unity. The interesting part is the Unreal Engine and also the Unity. The navigation is same. You can WASD, you can rotate, and you can with the mouse you can move around and all the things you can do. Those who are familiar with the Unity, they don't have any issues to navigate in the viewport, as you can see here. So I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna select this one. So these are the components that in the scene. As you can see, I'm selecting this one, and already in the hierarchy, this option are selecting, moving. So in the Unity, this hierarchy panel outliner is on the top, on the left side, but this one is in the Unreal Engine. This one is in the right side. So it's like the Unity, and you can see all the different parameters are here, from the materials to you can see all the different parameters are here. So you can have a position, something like a position here, scale, rotation. Okay, so I can move around. Okay, and I can. Okay, if I go for the play button, you can see here, this is the third person character. This is the third person character, you can see here. So this is the mannequin actually. So this is third person. The camera is set already, third person camera is set, and you can see here what is happening. So I'm in a game mode right now. So yeah, okay, yes. Ah, there kind of physics applied here also. So it's a collider, and the box are moving. So something like this. So you should be very familiar with the viewport and the navigation part. So as you can see, I can skip with the escape key. Okay. So I think you are okay with the viewport. So this is the viewport, and these are the same menus like file, edit, windows, tools, build, help. So these are the kind of like a universal menus, and also they are familiar like Unity. These are the drawers, so you can import the assets here, and you can do your 3D assets, textures, and whatever assets are here. You can create the folder here, rename it like something like that, and you can import here. Okay, so uh, this is the basic tutorial of the how you can open a project, how you can open a project in Unreal Engine. So yeah, better you just keep practice, and uh, keep discovering this one. So it's like uh, maintaining the camera angle, all the things quite good, and the graphics is so good in Unreal Engine. So it's so real, like compared to the Unity. It's like Unreal Engine is it's graphically rich, and also it's a quite heavy machine to you see the characters, materials and shyness, all the things is already done. Okay,